It is a Monday morning and this apartment is in such a state. I'm so embarrassed, you guys. I'm such a clean and neat person, and however my environment is looking, that's how it affects my mood. So definitely gonna feel very miserable if I don't clean this up ASAP. And I have had so many requests from you guys to do more cleaning and organization videos, so that is what I'm going to do today. And just a little side note, Bren and I normally give the apartment a proper clean down over the weekends because I clean the apartment myself during the week, so that's kind of like him helping a little bit. And over the past 2 months, the first 2 months that we've been living here, we took our laundry to get washed, and in some way it has been convenient and in some way it's been such a disconvenience for us because you kind of have to gather all of your things and put it in a little basket and then have it washed, and then you need to pick it up again, and it's just such a schlep. So this morning my washing machine got delivered, and that inspired me and just motivated me to do a little speed cleaning video for you guys. So that is what I'm going to do today, and oh, I'm so excited because it literally makes me feel like an adult now. I've got a washing machine. So this is the washing machine. It needs to go in there. I have no idea how I'm going to push this because it's super heavy, but I'm going to give it a try anyway. But first, let's put on some music. So I phoned my dad, and I don't have a little tool that you need for this little bolt thing. So I don't have that, so I can't really do anything because you have to take this off because this kind of is just a transportation safety thing. So you need to take this off before you can use it. So I'm just gonna push this underneath the cabinet and then we'll wait for Brain. So I last left you on Monday. It is Wednesday today. So on Monday I started cleaning and then my battery died. I put my battery on charge and then I did some nails and I immediately started feeling ill again. So I just stopped cleaning altogether on Monday, so it's a Wednesday today. I did some laundry this morning for the first time. My first little bundle of laundry. I did the bedding and I think that's done, so I need to go hang that up to dry. And I just got ready to film a YouTube video, so I did my hair and makeup, and I'm gonna clean the living room quickly and go hang up the washing, film a video, and then I'll continue cleaning the apartment. So let's do this little tidy up of the living room. Wondering as to why I keep on changing my clothing, it's because I am doing some Instagram shots and content, you know, photo content for my Instagram, but I just went down to go pick up the bed sheets because they were outside in the sun, and I'm gonna change the bed sheets now. But I quickly want to vacuum and tidy up the bedroom, and then I'll take more Instagram shots. That is enough cleaning for today. You guys, this is such a mission to film yourself and clean at the same time, because I kept on forgetting that I was filming, and then my memory card would be full, and then my camera would die, and then I have to wait for the battery to charge or get a different camera. It was just, this was a little bit of a trial and error for me, because this is the first cleaning routine that I'm filming. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And also, I'm very embarrassed about the state of the bathroom, but you guys, I'm just transparent. I had like a million toilet rolls by the toilet, and I don't know why I didn't just throw them away, but I'm being transparent and showing you how it really gets. I think that was probably the dirtiest this apartment has ever been, and it's not like I've been living here for that long, so I am still getting used to the whole cleaning thing. So if you have some cleaning tips for me, your girl will really appreciate it, because I'm not yet the domesticated princess that I want to be. But I still hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, give me your cleaning tips and suggestions and good washing detergents that you like. I really like that white glow detergent that I used, just to let you know. And then if you have questions, leave me a comment. I will get back to you guys. I love responding to you guys. I am going to relax now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.